Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to add voiceover on CapCut PC. So here I already opened my CapCut on the PC, and then I want to add voiceover. Actually, it's really easy. You just click this record. When I click this one, it will be recording my voice. So I will turn it off right now because I'm recording on this video, and then it couldn't be overlapping between this recording on my OBS and on the CapCut while editing. That's the recording how to use voiceover on your CapCut. The other thing is, if you want to make it voiceover by machine, you can click add text, and then you can, for example, you can add this text. The text is default text, and I will put it by machine, and then you click on the text. Here you can see there is an option of text to speech. You can choose which suitable for you, the voiceover. For example, this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. Jesse. Okay, I put Jesse because this is very common in TikTok right now. So I will double click it and then start reading. See, I have my videos like this with voiceover, not from my voice. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, or you can just put thanks on the button down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.